What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's hot today. If you're in the Northeast area, you're feeling the heat. Even the East Coast. Today it hit about 107, I guess, at one time. So I'm at the depot. You know I'm always over there. And I come across this guy here, the Ridgid fan. I had to grab it. A lot of jobs, believe it or not, people don't have AC. They don't have it turned on. You need some ventilation. I had to get this thing. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. In the meantime, let me pop open. That's it. Sprite, kid. Lemon lime. All right? And no, I don't get paid by Sprite. All right, let's get to it. Let me grab a blade. 7 million blades, and when you need them, you can't find the damn things. Where is it? Here we go. Pull it out. There it is, the trusty DeWalt. Okay, so let's cut this thing open. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let's take this out of the bag. Now look at this. The bag was already pulled. I'm hoping this wasn't sent back as a reconditioned model. It's pretty basic. Comes one piece. Okay. Pieces of cardboard. And of course, comes with the instructions and stuff, manual. Remember, you got to register this thing. I don't know if this thing has a lifetime warranty. Let me see if I can adjust this camera, make sure you're seeing the whole thing here. All right, that's pretty good right there. All right, so this shouldn't be too hard to figure out. It says hybrid. It's a little flap here. Oh, I see. You can put an extension cord in there if you look in the hole. See that? See the plugs? Or you could slide a battery in. So let's grab a battery. This here is a regular battery. We'll see if it'll fit. Slide it in, and boom, it's already on. We got a dial over here. If you look here, it's a dial, speed dial. We'll bring it up to a full. Oh yeah, that feels good, cuz. All right, hold on a minute. Let me cool off. Damn, is it hot. It's not that loud. It's got a 2 amp hour battery in it. I'm going to try. I can feel it. Swivels, which is nice. I can even blow off the table real quick. Get all the dust off, okay? So it swivels. It's got, doesn't have any rubber base. What's this here? Oh, it's got a little hook. Couple of hooks. Okay, got to figure out what those hooks are for. We got a couple of hooks. Okay, maybe for a ladder or something. Let's see. Or it could be the hook on, I don't know, maybe if you're building something. Let me go through it real quick. That doesn't matter because I'm going to just use it the way it is. Alright, I'm not going to worry about the hook stuff right now. But yeah, it's got these 2 little hooks. If anyone knows what they are, shoot me a quick little comment at the bottom. Let me get this out of the way here. But it's not bad. Swivels. It's strong. Pretty strong. Alright, what I want to do is let me see, where are my, here's one here. I'm going to see if the octane battery fits. We're going to throw in the 6 octane. Let's pull that out. Lift up this little rubber flap. Pop it in. That's the same thing. Yeah, I mean, it's not. Let me see if this thing is fully charged. No, I'm down to 1, so there you go. That's the reason. Let me see. Let me get one more that's been charging a little bit longer. I notice it's a little tough getting this battery out, the octane. Squeezing it. Yeah, that's a pain in the ass. I don't know what it is with these octane batteries and some of these Ridgid tools. It's a regular one, regular battery. Yeah, it's a lot better. It was fully charged. Let me put this octane on the charger. Get that thing charging. I got the other one charging. I gotta hang some. I gotta put some DeWalt chargers up there from some jobs. I haven't been charging the batteries, but yeah, not bad. Ridgid 18 volt, swivels. It's lightweight. It's nice. You bring it on, bring it to a job with you if you're working on something, and you're in a house or a spot where it's a little warm, or if you're doing a little sheetrock work or paint and you need some airflow. Not bad. I'm definitely going to keep it and use it the next couple of days. Let me try one more thing while I got you guys on here. I'm going to hook up an extension cord to this guy, and we'll see how the power is with the extension cord. Yeah, see, the regular batteries pull right out. The octane batteries were a pain in the ass, so I don't know what it is with these octane batteries with certain things, but all right, so we got the extension cord in. Let me plug it in. Let's see. Let's get one of these out and let's plug this in. Oh yeah. I'll tell you, on low, you don't even feel it. I don't know. I'm going to give them a call because I want to make sure I don't have a defective model. I mean, you don't even feel it. Not even like a computer fan. The middle's pretty good. Alright, that's weird. It's off. Right here is off, if you can see. Let me tilt this down. The circle here is off. Then when you turn it on, it's full blast, and then it goes to low. You would think it'd be the reverse. But yeah, it's not bad. I mean, for it plugged in, being powered off with an extension cord, I'm a little surprised how weak it is, to be honest with you. But anyways, it's doing the job. It was, I believe it was 49 bucks. So it's not the end of the world. $49. I got a fan, keep me cool while I'm doing a few things here and there. If you're looking to get one of these fans, not bad, 49 bucks. And if you figure out what these little hooks are for, let me know. Alright, as always, subscribe, share. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, whatever. It is what it is. Alright, everybody stay cool, and we'll catch you on the next one.